Here's how you can check if you can retire with the current assets that you have invested without contributing any more dollars. It's called a Coast-Fire calculator. I made it on my website, mainstreetwolf.com. Essentially, you plug in different inputs and see if you've already achieved Coast-Fire or how many years it will take in order to achieve that number. Playing around with it, current age 24, retirement age 67. Let's say you wanted to spend $75,000. You currently have invested, call it $30,000 in investable assets, and you contribute $6,000 per year. At a 10% investment growth rate, inflation rate of 3%, a safe withdrawal rate of 4%, your FIRE number or amount needed to retire would be $1.9 million. And the number that you would need to have in investable assets right now in order to get that to retire at the age of 67 would be $102,000. With the current setup, it would take around 27 years. You're going to be 51 before you can stop contributing to your investments in order to retire at 67. Check out the calculator. You can play around with it and see if you've already Coast-Fired or how many years it will take in order to get there.